Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to sort data in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's start. The first way is to quickly sort in Excel. Select the column with the data. For example, I highlight the amount column. Then in the editing section, select sort and filter and select the ordering option that suits you. With numbers, this is in ascending or descending order. And for text, it's sorted alphabetically and in the reverse direction. If you have now selected all the cells in the column, a window will appear with the suggestion to expand the range. Do this if there are also values outside the selection that need to be sorted. So we sorted the digital data and along with them, as you can see, the text data too. The second way is a custom sort. Highlight the column, then select Custom Sort in the Editing section. Select the option to expand or save the range if you have previously selected a column. For example, let's choose Expand selection. After that, you will see the first sorting level, which you will configure. Select the column to sort from the first drop-down list. Next, we define the sorting option. This can be a value, the color of a font or cell, or conditional formatting icon. We choose the value. Finally, we specify in which order the data should be sorted. If you need to apply another sorting option, add a lever and configure it as you need. Click OK and get a sorted table, the results of which will be lost if we make change in any cell. The third way using sort function. This is a dynamic method that is after making changes to the cells, the sorting will automatically be rebuilt and its sequence will be correct. Use sort by specifying the array or range you want to sort. Optionally define which column to sort by, sort index, the order of the sort order, ascending order or descending order, and whether to sort by column or row, by row. Sorting the range in ascending order. We enter the sort function and select a range and press enter. Now we sort the range in descending order in two columns. We enter the function, then select columns A and B. We will sort by column B, so we enter 2. And in order for the sorting to be in descending order, we enter -1 and press enter. So we sorted the table by the second column, now we'll sort it by the first. And when we change the value in any cell, this change will be reflected in the sorted data. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.